way. I love it.
I know,
Welcome
this is
to
awesome.
Arkansas.
Thank you.
Well, you're already here, but you're really here. Now you got your own house.
Really here.
Yeah, we
Yes.
finally did it.
I'm Joan, and this is my husband, Steve, and we are Jenny Mars's mom and dad. We just celebrated our 45th anniversary. We have 4 children, 10 grandchildren, and half of them live here in Arkansas, so.
We're from Florida. We've always lived there. I worked in an office setting 12 hours a day most of the time. And then I had cancer, and it brought a whole new meaning to life itself.
Yeah, after he had the surgery, that's kind of when we decided this is it. You know, we're gonna make a move. We're gonna do something different.
Yeah, so there's no signs of cancer anymore, so I'm ready for a new beginning.
When we were looking at the house, there was something about it that Steve fell in love with.
Yeah, it's a solid house.
Our dream for this home is for a place for our kids and our grandkids to have family time. And this home, I think, will do it. We are very excited for it.
Yes.
All right, let's go inside.
All
Ready?
right, let's go.
Lead the way.
Oh, wow. It is literally a time capsule.
It is.
But it's in really good shape.
Really good shape.
When you come in here, what do you want it to feel like?
Home.
Okay, home. So
I kind of like modern,
That's good.
you know.
modern.
I just like comfortable. We'd like to get rid of all the carpet.
Yes. Get rid of the carpet. Give you nice light wood floors.
And this is not anything that we like.
The stone followed us inside.
Good. That's
Yes,
interesting.
it did. I could see like beams in here.
Sure.
Yes. Oh, that's big.
We just need to make it cozier in here. All right, so basically, update the flooring, new paint, and add some really beautiful beams to tie in to the floor and just create warmth in here to give you your cozy space. And then we'll modernize the fireplace for Dad. Okay, so kitchen.
Which is giant.
It is.
Yes.
Huge
Yeah.
kitchen.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm thinking it just needs to be this classic kitchen. Like, we need it to be timeless.
We kind of want to,
An island breakfast bar.
Yeah, an island. But is there anything else that we're missing that, like, what do you need to be able to use in here?
Back in Florida, he had built a wine thing, and we hated to
Wine
have to
rack
leave.
storage,
we had to leave it.
You know how I like my coffee.
I was
Espresso.
that's what I was thinking. These are the 2 things out of my head, is your coffee and wine.
Coffee and wine.
Coffee
kind
and
of
wine.
people.
I know.
My kind
That's
of
all
people.
we need.
All right, so new hardwood floors again, and then making sure you have a nice island, new cabinets, new countertop, new lighting, new appliances, some sort of beautiful wine storage, and a coffee bar space of some sort.
Sounds amazing.
Perfect.
Yes,
All right.
perfect.
So is this your bedroom over here?
That is.
Let's peek in there real quick.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
Oh, that's a big size room. It's a nice size.
Same wood floors flow in here.
Yeah, we can do this. I
Yeah.
like it.
What do we need to do in here? New flooring, trim, paint, lighting.
Budget is a definite concern. I mean, they've got $100,000 to make this house beautiful, and there's a lot to do. We really have to stretch this one. But of course, as the son-in-law, I'm working for free, so we can put that money right back into the house.
Yeah, it makes me nervous, because what if they don't like it? We need to make sure that this house is amazing and they never want to leave.
Hey, bitch, short. Perfect upper cabinet. Countertops. Did you save it? Of course I saved it.
White oak floors are replacing that old dingy carpet, and I think it'll really modernize and brighten everything up. We're making way for a new pantry in the kitchen. Continuing to bust out the old outdated columns. And now that the porch surround is in place, we're filling it with cinder block, and then we'll pour in concrete. Oh my gosh, you guys have gotten a lot done in here. Nice. Hey, Dave.
Yeah.
Can you come here for a sec? I want to talk about something.
Okay.
What do my parents start the day with?
Coffee.
Coffee. We have a coffee bar in the kitchen. Check. What do they end the day with?
Wine.
Wine. We need a wine bar. I want to build like a gigantic, built-in, funky wall for wine storage.
Make it a struggle for them to even keep it full.
Exactly. I don't want just like one bottle each. I want like to stack a bunch of bottles and then go this direction, stack a bunch of bottles. It's
Yeah,
like
that'd be cool.
funky, you know?
All the way to the
Measure.
ceiling? All right, I can do it. Let's get some material here. A lot of material. Yeah, 8 by 8.
Like it's gonna take a long time to fill this. I'll have to put some empty bottles up there just for show. Right now, we're filling in the framed front steps with concrete. We're adding a beautiful cedar facade to the front of the house. And then we'll finish off the exterior of the house with a brick skirt and beautiful brick steps to match. It's gonna be gorgeous and totally different. Painters are here. They're adding some contrast to the trim to really help the cedar siding pop. They're refreshing the main bedroom and the office and painting the kitchen cabinets a nice subtle shade of beige. And I just can't believe it's almost done. Everything is looking amazing. All along, this house has been a challenge. The exterior of this house was very odd and not incredibly inviting. It now feels updated. It has this very timeless, beautiful, inviting look.
I think I may need a few more logs, babe.
And then you go inside, and so now it just feels so beautiful. It's much more spacious. I cannot wait to get my parents into this house, to show them the house. They're going to love it.
Yep.
I hope.
You're gonna love it.
I know. Ooh. It's just gonna be amazing. Can't wait.
Oh, wow.
Almost breathless.
I know.
That's it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's so pretty.
The windows are tinted. I can't see their face.
Oh. How did you do this? Oh my gosh, how did you do this?
Oh wow.
You like it?
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Beautiful.
Like it?
Oh,
Yes.
oh, yeah.
More than I could have ever thought of. Oh my goodness, how did you do this?
Wow.
Look at the front porch.
Thank you, man. That's beautiful.
This is your house.
And this is our house, I know. Nothing. It's not even the same house.
Mom, you have your big front porch.
Yes.
All right, there's a lot more to see. You wanna go in?
Yes,
Go inside.
Let's go in.
Let's go. Oh, wow, man. Oh, it's so beautiful. It even seems bigger.
I know, doesn't
Nice.
it?
It does.
It's so much bigger
It
and
really
brighter.
does.
And nothing changed with the structure of the room, but just adding the beam and painting it. And yes, the
Wow.
fireplace, remember how big it used to be?
Yes.
Made it sleek for you, Dad. It's modern.
But it's still cozy and comfortable.
Yes, exactly. You feel better now?
Yes. I just want to see more.
Go.
How in the heck?
Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No, look at the hood. You got rid of something. What did you get rid of?
We actually bumped this out, so you know on the outside, you didn't notice, but it actually comes out. There used to be a window.
Right.
We got rid of that,
Right.
bumped out, and then go right there. You can see there's another door.
Oh! Woohoo! Yay! Got our pantry. Oh my goodness.
Oh, perfect.
You guys have all the storage in the world
Yes.
now.
Wow. I cannot believe I didn't think you were gonna be able to do that. Oh, and the wine. Oh my. Oh, over there. Oh my goodness. Oh my God.
Dad got his coffee bar.
I got my wine.
That's.
Oh
Whoa.
my gosh, it's perfect, Dave.
Dave
Oh my
built
gosh,
it.
Dave, thank you.
That's amazing.
When I built it, I didn't realize that it holds like 600 bottles. So we started you in that direction. You need to finish filling
Are
it.
you ready for the next spot?
Oh my, I don't know if my heart can take it.
Main bedroom?
Oh my goodness.
Oh
Oh
man.
my gosh, you guys, I don't understand how you guys did all that. Oh, it is so pretty. Look at this, my little reading thing right
Yes,
here. Oh,
yes.
wow. Why does everything just feel so much bigger?
The lighter floor and the lighter walls and lighter ceiling and
I can't wait to go to sleep tonight.
Unbelievable. Look at the view here.
isn't it
I
beautiful?
know. It is so
I know.
pretty.
It's like.
Oh, I almost forgot. We've got one more thing. So this is behind the scenes for you to
Okay.
keep in the house.
Okay.
A little something.
What? Where are they moving this? How did you do this? How did you do this? Oh my God. Oh my goodness, Jenny and Dave went beyond. This is so much better than what we could have ever dreamed. It's beautiful.
I couldn't imagine it was going to look like this.
No,
it's
we're
truly amazing
Yes.
house now, and then to have all the kids and grandkids show up. Just
such a wonderful blessing.
it's home.
And they made it
call
a
it home.
beautiful home.